Hey everyone, quick update for all college students. If you are looking for work from home internships with good stipend, then watch this video till the end because this opportunity is open for all batches. And go through the link present in the description. Coming to the job one, it's about full stack software developer intern. This role is perfect if you are interested in both front end and back end development. What you'll do: work on real world web applications, develop front and back end features, write clean and structured scalable code, collaborate with tech team. And here it is at 20,000 per month, location work from home, eligibility all college students. And coming to the second, if you are interested and strong in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and this is for you, go to the second link present in the description. It's a Kukbit SL. What you'll do: build and maintain websites, improve UI and responsibilities, fix bugs and optimize performance, work with designers and developers. And coming to the location, work from home, eligibility, it's all about the college students. And let's move on to the last link present in the description. It's an Anitum role, computer vision intern. This role is for students interested in AML and computer vision. What you'll do: work on image and video processing tasks, build and test computer vision models, use Python and ML libraries, assist in real AI based projects. It's about stipend 60K per month and location work from home. Eligibility all college students. All application links are present in description. Apply fast because work from home internships gets fixed quickly and share with your friends.